Now let's start Appium installation on Windows. Here you can see the document. There are 10 steps. You need to complete those 10 steps in order to set up Appium on Windows. Let's complete one by one. First one is install Java and set up environment variables. Install Android Studio and set up environment variables. Third one, download and install Node.js. So we need to download and install Node.js. Fourth one, install Appium via npm. So you can install Appium via command prompt, and also you can download the desktop app and install on your system. And sixth one, download Maven and set up environment variables. Install Eclipse IDE, create new Maven project in Eclipse, configure Appium dependencies in pom.xml file. Finally, create virtual mobile device, that is emulator. Okay. Let's complete one by one. First one, install Java and set up environment variables. Okay. To install the Java, first download the Java from Oracle site, right? So Google search with download Java and open oracle.com Java technologies. So open this site, and this is the Java SE 14th version. So let's download Java 8 version. So Java SE 8U 251. So you can download this version. So JDK download. So click on JDK download link. Now here you can see that important Oracle JDK license. So the Oracle JDK license has changed for releases starting April 16, 2019. So from this date onwards, Oracle made the Java version as licensed version. Okay. So for our automation purpose, it would be better to download Java SE JDK 8U251. So it is enough for us. Let's download Windows file. So select JDK 8U251 Windows version. Okay. So download this version. Okay. Select the checkbox and then click on download JDK version. Download starts. After downloading the Java, you will get this file in downloads folder. So just double click on this file. Here you can select yes. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Now installation starts. Click next button. Here you can see the path: install to C program files Java JDK 1.80 251 version. So this is the path where Java is going to install in your system. Okay. Click next button. It will take few seconds to install the Java. Now click next button. So now installing Java. Here you can see that Java SE Development Kit 8 update 251 successfully installed. Okay, so you can close. Now we have successfully installed the Java. Now you need to set the environment variables. So first let's see where the Java got installed. C program files Java JDK, right? So now you need to set the environment variables. So first variable is Java underscore home, that is you need to set the JDK path as Java underscore home variable. Open system environment variables and click on environment variables button. Here you can set the variable Java underscore home and variable value is path of JDK path. Okay, so this is the Java underscore home path. Now second variable is you need to append the bin folder path to the path variable. So here there is already a variable called path, so you need to append the bin folder path to the path variable. So bin folder path to the path variable, edit new and add the bin folder path to the path variable. That's it. Okay, now we have successfully installed the Java. Now let's verify whether the Java is successfully installed on your system or not. So open command prompt and type the command java -version. So if the Java is successfully installed on your system, it will return some Java version, that is 1.8.0.251, right? You can see Java version 1.8.0_251 version. So if the Java was not successfully installed on your system, you will get exception here. Okay, so this is how you can install Java in your Windows machine. Okay, thank you.